सो प्रॉब्लम्स एंड आई बिलीव प्रॉब्लम्स हर किसी के लाइफ में होते हैं, राइट? एवरीबडी इज गोइंग थ्रू डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स. इट्स नॉट अबाउट मी बट इट्स अबाउट द पीपल. ईच एंड एवरी वन इन दिस वर्ल्ड इज फेसिंग डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स. अगर हम प्रॉब्लम्स को कंपेयर करेंगे तो हमेशा लगेगा कि ओ इसका प्रॉब्लम थोड़ा ज़्यादा है या फिर मेरा प्रॉब्लम कंपेयर टू हिम. बट क्या होता है कि हर आदमी अपने अपने प्रॉब्लम्स को फाइट करने की कोशिश करता है, राइट? चाहे वो कंपैरिजन में से थोड़ा कम हो या फिर कुछ ज़्यादा हो, बट एवरीबडी इज फाइटिंग थ्रू समथिंग. एवरी वन इन दिस होल वर्ल्ड, एवरीबडी हैज़ टू फाइट फॉर थिंग्स. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि समटाइम्स यू लूज दैट विल टू फाइट, समटाइम्स यू सरेंडर, समटाइम्स यू फील there is nothing for me to go on. Sometimes we have to go on, show courage and fight the world, and we shouldn't succumb to it. I believe that sometimes life will put you in a situation where you can't see in front of your eyes कि तुम्हें क्या करना है, बट स्टिल आँख बंद करके तुम्हें आगे बढ़ना ही पड़ेगा बिकॉज दिस इज योर वन शॉट. टू ऑल द पीपल आउट देयर, टू ऑल द पीपल हु आर फेसिंग ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ प्रॉब्लम इन लाइफ, इफ यू हैव अ रीजन टू फाइट, great. If you don't, you still have to go on because that is how the world is. The world is not going to favor your opinions. Okay, कि क्या तुम सोचते हो, और हमेशा ऐसा होगा भी नहीं कि जो तुम चाहते हो वही हो. Sometimes we make dumb choices, sometimes we mess up, and sometimes things don't go our way because either the situation is against us or people make mistakes or you are just unlucky. But even after everything, people, if nobody believes in you, what will you do in that situation? And I think what matters the most to us, what matters, our opinion or people's opinion? What matters is कि मुझे क्या करना है. How do you want to see people? I feel like when it comes to me, I would like to be remembered for good. I remember my father telling me that I don't care what you do in life, but you have to be a good human being. I think this world is going like this, and we need good people, and there are good people, but हम हमेशा अपने ही प्रॉब्लम्स में उलझे रहते हैं एंड हमें लगता है कि हमारा प्रॉब्लम सबसे ज़्यादा है. ये आई हैव डन दैट एंड आई रियलाइज़ कि नहीं, पीपल आर सफरिंग ऑन अ डेली बेसिस, लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल आर, एंड इट्स नॉट अ हैप्पी प्लेस, बट स्टिल पीपल फाइंड रीजन्स टू गो ऑन. इन माई केस, even though how low I feel, even though I don't feel like getting up, I feel like this is the end because what I think is not going to happen, and that sucks. I know it sucks, but we have to tell ourselves that it's okay. It's okay to feel this way, but we must complete our duties. To all those students out there, if you are coming out of your comfort place and you are trying to make a name for yourselves, if you're doing the right thing, we sometimes make wrong choices and that backfires, but we have to keep on believing that the past should not define us. It must have defined us but should not define us with the growing process. We always have time to change the perspective of people, to prove people wrong in a good way, and I believe that we always have time to better ourselves with time. There are times when you can't change some situations, where you can't change the opinion of people. People will lose respect for you and it hurts. But there are people who believe in you. For instance, your mom and dad. For instance, my dad, he told me that he can't give up on me because he has only me. And if I hear that, it's like I am his only hope. And they are my only hope. Even though how bad life treats you, you have to find a reason to go on. It's not about always negativity. Shit happens, and it's not like you always feel motivated. Motivation is different, discipline is different. You won't feel motivated all the time. You will feel low, you will feel bad, you will feel कि काश ये हो पाता, काश ये नहीं हो पाता. We always live in what ifs. But even though you have lost something and you're still willing to go on, that's courage. And people are doing that. Everybody, lot of example. मेरे केस में मुझे भी ये लगता है कि even after losing things in life or any people and all, I have to move forward in life because I know that I have to do something good in my life and that people are counting upon me, especially my dad and my mom, because they have every right to see their child be the best. होते हैं कभी कभी इंडिफरेंसेस होते हैं पेरेंट्स के बीच में एंड ऑल, बट दे मीन वेल एंड इट इज़ आवर ड्यूटी टू मेक देम प्राउड एंड let people live their lives, not create enough problems for people, solve our own problems with taking help, and just we have to think. I always would like to tell people that think. There are problems but कोई प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वेबल लगता भी नहीं है कभी कभी. इट्स लाइक कि शिट, द पेन it's never ending, but you have to fight it. That is how life is. It's not going to be always smooth. I've seen happiness, I've seen sadness, I've seen anger, I've seen guilt. Everybody has seen that. Guilt sucks. It literally sucks. But not because what's happening, is because of what you have done. But remember that you are in this moment and what you do is gonna define you right now and forward. So keep on believing, keep on holding on to hope. Hope can be a person, can be a thing, can be anything in your mind. For me, hope is my parents and a person. Keep on believing and keep on trying hard and keep on going forward. Thanks for watching this video.